Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up another challenging question from algebraic expressions. Here we have square root 5 over 24 plus square root 1 over 8 minus square root 1 over 12 whole power 4 plus square root of 5 over 24 minus square root of 1 over 8 plus square root of 1 over 12 whole power 4. We have to simplify or evaluate this expression. So let us consider the very first bracket as A and second bracket I will consider B. So our target expression is A power 4 plus B power 4. Now I will write A separately. So we can write A is equal to square root 5 over 24. Done. Plus. Now here can we write common denominator by multiplying here 3. So I can write here 3 over 24. Here we can multiply with 2. So in the denominator also 2. So we can write minus square root 2 over 24. Similarly, I will write for B also. It will become square root 5 over 24 minus square root 3 over 24 plus square root 2 over 24. Okay. Now denominator is square root 24. So we can take root 24 common. But before that, I will write one identity, square root A over B. It is equal to square root A over square root B. So we can write A equal to square root 5 over square root 24 plus square root 3 over square root 24 minus square root 2 over square root 24. For B also, we will be writing square root 5 over square root 24 minus square root 3 over square root 24 plus square root 2 over square root 24. So can we write our expression as A and B as A equal to root 5 plus root 3 minus root 2 over square root 24, and B we can write square root 5 minus square root 3 plus square root 2 divided by square root 24. Now I will calculate. Let me write here A times B value. So A was square root 5 plus square root 3 minus square root 2 over square root 24. This was A. B was square root 5 minus square root 3 plus square root 2 divided by square root 24. Once I will take product of this, denominator will be 24. So I can write numerator as root 5 plus square root 3 minus square root 2 in first bracket. In second bracket, we can write root 5 minus square root 3 minus square root. Denominator is root 24 times root 24, so only 24. Now it is recalling one algebraic identity. You can see it is A plus B. If we will call root 3 minus root 2 as B, then it is A minus B. So we can write the difference of two squares formula. So I will be writing A square, so root 5 whole square, minus B square. So B is root 3 minus root 2 whole square. And denominator is 24. So I can write here root and power 2 will be over. So 5 minus root 3 minus root 2 whole square over 24. Let's apply one more algebraic identity, a minus b whole square. So a times b, it would be 5 minus a square, so root 3 square 3, plus b square, so plus 2, minus 2ab, 2 times root 3 times root 2, so 2 root 6, divided by 24. Now this is plus 5 with minus sign, so minus 5 and plus 5 will be over. What I will be having after that? It is 2 root 6 over 24. And 2 if I will take into the square root, then it is square root 24 over 24, which will be equal to 1 over square root 24. So we have calculated a times b. It is 1 over root 24. Now we'll be calculating a plus b. So I will write a plus b. Let us write both the values. Root 5 plus root 3 minus root 2 over root 24 plus root 5 minus root 3 plus root 2 over root 24. Now denominator is same, we can simply add both. So I will be writing root 5 plus root 3 minus root 2 plus root 5 minus root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 24. Minus root 2 plus root 2 over plus root 3 minus root 3 will be over. So it is left with 2 square root 5 divided by square root 24. So we can write it as 2 square root 5, and here I can write 2 root 6. 24 is 4 times 6, so 2 root 6. Now 2 will be over. So it is left square root 5 over square root 6. So we have calculated a dot b and a plus b. This is a plus b, and a dot b we have already calculated. It was 1 over square root 24. Now we have to evaluate our expression a power 4 plus b power 4. Let us calculate. I will write one algebraic identity, a plus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So from here I can calculate a square plus b square. It would be a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now we have to apply both the values a plus b and ab. A plus b was root 5 over root 6, and a times b was 1 over square root 24. Let's plug in here and here. So I will write here a square plus b square equal to root 5 over root 6 whole square minus 2 times ab. So I can write 1 over root 24. Now root and square will be over, so it will be 5 over 6. Now here we can write it is 2 over 2 root 6, 24. Now this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So it is converting into simplest form 5 minus 6 minus 1 over root 6. Now I will multiply here with root 6 in the numerator, root 6 in the denominator. So it will become denominator same. So I will be writing 5 minus root 6 over 6. So this is our a square plus b square. Now let us consider squaring once again to find out a power 4 plus b power 4. So let me write here a square plus b square. It is equal to 5 minus root 6 over 6. Now squaring both sides. A square as per formula. So a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a square b square equal to 5 minus root 6 whole square divided by 36. Now we have to apply AB equal to 1 over root 24 here. So a square b square will be 1 over 24. So let me write here a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 times 1 over 24 equal to 5 minus root 6 whole square divided by 36. Now we have to simplify. Here we can cancel by 12. So a power 4 plus b power 4, this value will be equal to, I will write 5 minus root 6 whole square by 36 minus 1 by 12. Now I can write a power 4 plus b power 4. This value will be equal to 5 minus root 6 whole square. Denominator is 36. So let us write this denominator also 36. So I need to write here 3. 3 over 36 is 1 by 12. Now I can write 5 minus root 6 whole square minus 3 and denominator is 36. This is our required expression. Let us simplify a bit. A minus b whole square, so 25 plus root 6 square, so 6 minus 2ab, so 10 root 6 minus 3 divided by 36. 31 minus 3, 28. So I will be writing here a power 4 plus b power 4. This value will be equal to 28 minus 10 root 6 divided by 36. Numbers are even in the numerator denominator. So I will divide by 2. 14 minus 5 root 6 over 18. This is our required expression value. I hope friends this video will be somewhere meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.